After overcoming Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's fierce bid to prevent him from co-option into the ruling party ZANU-PF's decision-making central committee amid an internal succession infighting, Zimbabwean multimillionaire Tycoon Kudawa Chitagure is enjoying his newfound political career as a member of the Harare Provincial Coordinating Committee. Salamina mashoko buda panguva ino nyasi kunonzi Tagure panguva ino nepozisheni yakapiwa akunyasa kushandisa mapowers kuti anyasa kugripa power achisidliner the vice president kuti pasubscribe like kuti wamapela iko tipira panapa paendo the news wakusambiranyira chiti Tagure who yet to climb a mountain to make into the central committee is seen here chanting ZANU-PF and the 2030 political slogan expressing loyalty to President Emmerson Mnangagwa after attending a Harare Provincial Committee meeting in the capital yesterday. In quotes, I'm a servant of the people and will work tirelessly to drive empowerment programs to the grassroots, Tagure told the meeting as he chanted party slogans passionately and protractedly. In quotes, I am committed to driving President Mnangagwa's vision and realizing his dreams. As a dedicated servant of the Revolutionary Party, I will deliver and expected. I will continue supporting party programs, even at the village level. Do mashoko arikutaurwa panguva ino naTagure arinyasa kuonekwa kunzi aiwa kuda kwacho Tagure nethat position yakawana awa Central Committee panguva ino akuchinyasa kushandisa strong financial base yake. Mukaona vakomana ZANU-PF provincial structures vapo 150,000 yekunzi vange vachibhadharwa mari vachimita maexpenses avo each and every month vachipiwa 150,000 naweida kutofambisa kuti president vangoalawa chete. Zviri kunyasa kuonekwa kunzi izi financial muscle panguva ino ndio iri kushanda kubhaya power on the ruling party ZANU-PF. Pinda comment section medu nzwa mafunguro enyu matikudiye pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like achota on the bell.